this technique, I don't like to have anything on my lips, not even chapstick. And I also like taking my beauty blender or my makeup sponge that I use to apply my foundation with and take the excess foundation that's left over and just kind of tap over my lips with them to neutralize the color of my lips. Next, I'm going to go in with a NYX lip liner. NYX lip liners are my favorite lip liners, the wooden ones. This color is in the color brown, and you want to make sure that it's freshly sharpened. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to start lining my lips, and I'm going to go over my natural lips just a little bit. So to begin, I like starting off at the corners of my lips and working my way up. So I'm just creating a super thin line, but you want to make sure there's enough pigment on there. So I'm just going to go over the line a couple times, but I'm not increasing the thickness, just increasing the opacity of the lip liner. Also, the reason that I like working my way from the outer corners to the top is if you start at the top and then you drag your pencil down, it's a little bit difficult to create the fullness that you want. If you're working your way from the corner up, you're able to make your lips look lifted and fuller. For my bottom lip, I'm gonna actually do the opposite thing and start at the base of my lips and work my way towards the corners of my lips. You also want to make sure to not overline so much on the corners of your lips. If you do, it's kind of gonna give you that like clown lip look, and that's not what you want. You want the fullness to be more centered in the center of your lips. That's where you want the most fullness. So that's why at the bottom I like starting at the base and then working my way up to the corners, because I like this part to be overlined, and then I just connect it towards the outer corner of my lips. Next, to fill in my lips, I'm going to be using another lip liner. I'm going to be using another NYX one. It's called Natural. This is my favorite lip liner. I wear this every single day. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this lip liner and fill the entirety of my lips. So next I'm going to go back in with a brown lip liner, and with this I'm just going to do a little bit more shading. I'm going to create an ombre look with my lips. So to intensify that, I'm going to focus the color on the outer corners of my lips as well as the cupid's bow. To continue with the ombre effect, I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and just dab it in the center of my lips. And just kind of move the concealer around with my lips. Top it off, I'm just gonna add some gloss to the center of my lips. I have two favorite glosses that I like using when I'm doing this type of look. So one of my favorites is the Milani Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumpers, and this is in the color 01 Champagne. And then another one that's a little bit more higher end are the Buxom glosses. This one is in the color Sandy, and both of these are like lip plumping. I don't really get that effect too much when I apply them, or at least I don't see that too much on my lips, but they do have kind of like a minty, refreshing, tingling sensation when you apply them. So for today, I'm going to go with the Milani, and I'm just going to try to focus this just on the center of my lips.